Hey guys, how's it going? It's me Wasan and welcome to my channel. So, if you haven't subscribed already, go and subscribe and hit that like button. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a video unlisted or private. So let's get into the video. So, go to your Creator Studio. If you don't got the Creator Studio but the beta, I made a video up there how to switch from beta to the classic Creator Studio. So after going to Creator Studio, select the video by selecting this button or this blank thing over here. Then click on the actions button and just choose private or your unlisted thing. So after doing that, it will automatically change the format. After a few hours or a few days, it will be private. Sorry, I'm joking. Actually, it will take 2-3 minutes or 30 seconds to change it and you're good to go. If you want to make a couple of videos on private or unlisted all together, so all you gotta do is select 3 of them and just do the same thing. If you want to make them public again, just select all of them and just click on the public button. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries or if you want me to make any type of videos, just comment down below and I will make that one. So thanks for watching and bye. Peace out.